So, it's not a surprise anymore. But also, Dr. Hilal, yeah, my doctor also, and also the housekeeping department for helping us arrange OPT nurses. For Fatma, I told him, when you saw Dr. Said, please lie to him. Because this is a surprise as well. And also, Fatma also arranged also for the Egyptian food. This is the first time that Egyptian food and Filipino food are together. So, inshallah, you enjoy the food. And of course, my Dr. Akbadomer. And Normana, actually, me and I was really the brain of this party. We know that the hospital are facing problems, but Dr. Said will leave. So, he's a colleague, he's a friend, he's a doctor. Inshallah, we'll be happy to him and we'll be okay. So, I think I'm done. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. So to end this one, because I know all of you is hungry already. So thank you so much, Doctor, for all the things you shared to us, for being a friend and a colleague. And although we are weird and headache, we hope that we will never forget. Thank you so much. Dr. Asa, please lead the way. I'll start to lead. Picture first, Dr. Males, picture first. All the doctors first, Males. All doctors double. After picture, we can start eating. Doctors first, then nurses. Okay, for nurse, doctors, take pictures.